Hello and welcome to Afro Entertainment. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and share this video. Hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Economic freedom fighters leader Julius Malema has dropped bombshell on ANC, citing that this coming local government elections will be the end of the ruling party as they will take them out of power. Just like any other opposition party, EFF is eyeing victory in major municipalities currently under ANC government and has revealed that they don't want to be in coalition with the ruling party. We must take the ruling party out of power come local government elections at this rate. We will not negotiate anything with hypocrites, said Malema. He also cracked whip on the party's ground forces, whom he gave a directive to follow until the country goes to its much anticipated local government elections. Malema said the ground needs to be worked really hard and the Red Beret ground forces must not slack on the job. He gave directives that no EEF ground force must sleep without doing the party's work every day while addressing a meeting with EEF councillor candidates in Swan. We need to consolidate the ground for a better socialist future. No EEF ground force must sleep without having done meaningful EEF work every day, he said. The ANC has, however, started its own election campaign as well, and the party's head of elections, Fikile Mbalula, says people must vote ANC to avoid coalition government with opposition parties. He, however, says the ANC will work with everyone in coalition governance depending with the outcome of the local government election on the 1st of November. Fikile Mbalula says while the party is working towards an outright majority, if the citizens reject the outright majority and want coalition governance, then the ANC will have to look into it. ANC's head of election further adds that they are aware of the stiff competition ahead of local government election and that this means the ruling party ANC will have to work hard if it remains in power. Another news, one of the South African cabinet has to be Fikile Mbalula. It doesn't matter what portfolio he holds in the cabinet, he finds a way to turn himself into a celebrity minister. This is why he is one of the most criticized ministers in the country. He has found himself in hot water yet again with the general public of South Africa, especially on Twitter. This was caused by a disturbing video that has been circulating on the platform that led to a lot of questions. A video of a man getting brutally beaten up by taxi drivers on social media has caused South Africans to question Mbalula's job. As the Minister of Roads and Transport, it is said that he has let the taxi drivers feel like they own the roads in the country. He doesn't do anything when they decide to rebel and disturb everyone's peace. In the video, a man who drives an Uber was seen picking up a person and was chased until he crashed into a tree. After that, they proceeded to beat him mercilessly as they said that he is stealing business from the taxi drivers. This is nothing new at all. It has been happening for ages and the minister has done nothing. Taxi drivers feel like they own the roads and Fikile Mbalula does nothing to remind them that he has the power. The man was simply trying to put food on the table just like it was right to brutalize him. Mbalula has not said anything about the video even though he was called to action. The Minister of Transport needs to be fired from his job. He has proved time and time again that he is afraid of taxi drivers. We cannot have a leader that is scared of people that he must lead. It is not known if he benefits from the industry or not, but we need a leader who will protect the rights of everyone who uses the roads. What is your take on the matter? What should be done to Fikile Mbalula? Do well to leave your comments in the comment section. Thanks for listening.